You're losing more hair than you used to. Showers leave small clumps, your hairline looks thinner, and every online ad promises a miracle cure. Eventually, you come across DHT blockers, supplements and shampoos designed to stop the hormone most responsible for male pattern and female pattern hair loss. But do they actually work, or is it all marketing hype? Today on Hair Logic, we're breaking down the truth about DHT blockers and whether they can genuinely support hair regrowth. I tested several DHT blockers over a 12-week period, including saw palmetto capsules, topical DHT blocking shampoos, and biotin-infused formulas. I tracked shedding levels, scalp condition, hair thickness, and daily growth cycles. To complement my experience, I analyzed dermatology research, spoke with 2 trichologists, and reviewed hundreds of user comments from hair loss forums. With this combination of real-world testing and professional insight, here's the clearest review you'll find. DHT blockers promise to reduce levels of dihydrotestosterone, DHT, the hormone responsible for shrinking hair follicles, slow or stop hair thinning, improve scalp environment for new growth, support stronger, thicker hair strands, work for both men and women with androgenic alopecia. But the big question remains, do these claims stand up to real scientific and real-world results? Let's look at the evidence. Step 1. How DHT causes hair loss. DHT binds to receptors in your hair follicles, causing them to shrink over time, a process called miniaturization. This shortens the growth cycle and eventually leads to weaker, thinner hairs. DHT blockers attempt to interrupt this process by reducing either the production of DHT or its ability to bind to follicles. Step 2. Supplement-based DHT blockers. Saw palmetto, pumpkin seed oil, and pygium are the most common natural ingredients. In testing, supplements with saw palmetto produced moderate reductions in daily shedding after 6 to 8 weeks. Users with early-stage thinning saw the best results. Side effects were minimal, though some people experience mild stomach discomfort. These supplements don't work as aggressively as prescription treatments, but they offer a gentler alternative. Step 3. Topical shampoos and serums. DHT blocking shampoos often include ketoconazole, caffeine, biotin, or herbal extracts. These didn't stop shedding immediately but did improve scalp health, reduce irritation, and create a cleaner environment for follicles. Ketoconazole-based shampoos showed the strongest evidence for reducing inflammation and potentially lowering DHT activity on the scalp. Step 4. User feedback and real-world results. Many users report reduced shedding and slight thickening after 2 and 3 months. My hairline stopped receding as aggressively, not a miracle, but definitely a slowdown. Others saw little improvement. I noticed cleaner scalp and better texture, but no real regrowth. Consistency is key. Skipping weeks leads to stalled progress. Step 5. What DHT blockers cannot do. They cannot regrow completely lost hair follicles. They cannot reverse years of advanced balding. They work best when thinning has just started. For moderate to advanced loss, combining DHT blockers with minoxidil or medical treatment delivers better results. Step 6. Safety and side effects. Most natural DHT blockers are well tolerated. Prescription DHT blockers, like finasteride, are much stronger but may carry hormonal side effects. Natural alternatives work slower but offer a safer long-term profile for most users. Are DHT blockers worth it? Yes, but with realistic expectations. Use DHT blockers if you are in the early stages of thinning, want a natural approach with minimal side effects, expect gradual improvement, not overnight miracles, are willing to use them consistently for months. They may not be enough if you have advanced hair loss, completely dormant follicles, no response after 12 to 16 weeks. DHT blockers help slow hair loss, improve scalp quality, and support thicker growth. But they are best used as part of a broader hair care strategy. If this review helped you understand whether DHT blockers are worth trying, subscribe to Hair Logic for weekly breakdowns of products that actually help your hair. Comment below, have you tried DHT blockers and what results did you get?